Bennie Master's lecture, The Wondrous Awareness of the Spirit, Achieving Buddhahood Through 3 Gradual Stages. Dear Dharma friends, have you ever pondered how, amidst the boundless sea of samsaric suffering, we can break free from demonic obstacles and enter the path to Buddhahood? Today, guided by the complete teachings and insights of the Shurangama Sutra, we explore how the Buddha leads beings to awaken the spirit, enter the patience of the unproduced Dharma, and follow the 3 gradual stages of practice to ultimate Buddhahood. Let us join in this Dharma assembly and unlock the pure, wondrous awareness together. The 3 gradual stages: transforming sand into rice, severing illusions to return to truth. The Buddha taught the 3 gradual stages to Buddhahood, akin to transforming sand into rice, a process rooted in essential transformation. Sand ripples and carries information, perpetuating endlessly. We must halt this continuity of delusion, letting it gradually fade until it's exhausted. Upon this foundation, we implant the meritorious programs of compassion, joy, equanimity, and the 10 powers, culminating in the Tathagata's secret, pure, and wondrous realization. Beings versus AI, afflictions and right view. Beings differ from AI. AI lacks afflictions and functions consistently, while beings, burdened by confusion, face a tide of afflictions that erode right view into oblivion if not repeatedly reinforced. If right view isn't firm and we rush to recite the Buddha's name, that practice may dilute and dispel right view, causing us to ignore the original mind. The 3 gradual stages, like precepts and principles, systematically empty, erase, and reformat the mind's afflictions, paving the way for Buddha-like deeds. The spirit inherently possesses miraculous transformations, yet until evil habits are fully cleared, until sand becomes rice, we must avoid indulging in them, lest we stagnate and fail to reach the ultimate state. The 3 gradual practices: severing causes, purifying nature, entering the unproduced. The Buddha expounded the 3 gradual stages of practice. 1. Severing the 5 pungent roots, eliminating contributing causes. These roots fuel afflictions like oil on fire. Cutting them purifies the foundation. 2. Upholding precepts for purity, correcting nature. Upholding precepts purifies the mind, revealing the spirit's true nature. 3. Opposing present karma, attaining patience of the unproduced. Severing current karmic obstacles through balanced concentration and wisdom, the unmoving spirit enters the unproduced state. These 3 steps are like clearing a hard drive, gradually reformatting it, before installing the wondrous functions of Buddhahood. Demonic phenomena versus wondrous awareness. Wind and light untouched. The Shurangama Sutra illustrates, demonic phenomena are like a movie, flickering with turmoil. The wondrous awareness of the spirit is like the screen, ever pure and still. Wind cannot blow away light, nor can a knife cut water. Demons cannot harm the spirit. The spirit is like boiling broth, demons like solid ice. Warmth approaches, and the ice melts day by day. The spirit's warmth dissolves the frozen barriers of body and mind, purifying both, directly revealing wondrous awareness. Right view and the 10 good deeds. Transforming the 5 aggregates into wisdom. Without the 10 good deeds, no Buddhist practice can succeed. Right view, one of the 10, counters the ignorance of the 10 evils. In cultivating the Shurangama Samadhi, each step requires corresponding insight to transform the 5 aggregates' bad habits into a bodhisattva's wisdom. Conclusion: severing demons to enter patience, perfecting the wondrous fruit. Dear friends, the spirit remains unmoving. The three continuities mere illusions. The three gradual stages transform sand into rice, severing the five pungent roots, upholding precepts, and clearing karma, dissolving demonic phenomena to reveal wondrous awareness. May we follow the Sharangama's true Dharma, guided by right view, cultivating concentration and wisdom together, awakening the spirit, entering the unproduced, and perfecting the body fruit. Wishing you all abundant Dharma joy and shared purity.